Last July, Will and his educational psychologist wife Polly Snowden welcomed their baby girl into the world. At the time, the BBC star shared an adorable photo of the newborn's foot with a simple red heart as the caption. Although he's kept his daughter's name private and hasn't shown her face properly in images, the restorer has given his Instagram followers a sneak peek into their most recent antics. Uploading a series of adorable photographs, Will captioned the images "Thank you Corfu for a wonderful first family holiday." In the first snap, he can be seen holding his daughter in the air looking up at her with a beaming smile with the sea in the background. Another featured the tot's tiny footprints in the sand and one where she was wearing a summer hat while being held by Polly, who wore a gorgeous white dress. The proud dad was seen in another image wearing a front baby carrier as he took a stroll along the beach holding his daughter's hand. It wasn't long before his 177,000 followers took to the comment section to share their thoughts on the sweet family snaps. User Eve_1002 wrote, "Fabulous family photos Will, thank you for sharing. Don't miss." Coronation Street fans predict downward spiral for Craig Tinker as Faye leaves. Latest, Bradley Walsh transforms into a gladiator in throwback clip. Latest, Game of Thrones star lands huge role terrorizing Ncuti Gatwa in Doctor Who. Latest, Christina Conrad 621 added, "Those little footies in the sand. I'm literally melting over here." With Margwood commenting, "Thank you for sharing your beautiful family photos, fun times together." Will announced he was going to be a father last spring on social media by holding up a mug which had the word Papa engraved on the front. Confessing he and Polly were excited over the news of a new arrival to extend their family, his Repair Shop co-star Jay Blades offered his congratulations to them in the comments. According to Will's website, he was inspired to get into wood restoration after growing up watching his grandfather in his workshop. Fans of the hit show have seen the 38-year-old carry out some incredible work on the Repair Shop, as he once confessed to ITV's Lorraine it's a struggle to keep emotions in check. He said, "Sometimes it's hard to do the work while not having tears running down your face." The Repair Shop is available to watch on BBC iPlayer.